Students, I want to very quickly show you how to make an active link. In many of your classes, and in my classes, I'll ask you to find an article, describe the article, and then put an active link so it's easier for other students to get to it. So I'm going to share the screen here, and let's hope this works. And I'm going to go to new discussions. I want you to know about getting information from the Nebraska Department of Education. So I go to the Nebraska Department of Education and I find their URL, which I've done. I write some good information for you to know. That's exciting, isn't it? So then you can put a link, whatever you want to put there, shade it, then go to this link or URL up here in the top part of the screen. You'll hit that. It'll ask you for a URL, and you might got to delete this. And you go. So I copy the URL that I had gone. I insert the link, and I'm done. I should be able now to. I'll have to close it first. Save. And then I can go to this link, and you can go to the Nebraska Department of Education or anything that you would want to share with the class. So it's very easy to do. Go to wherever your article is, copy the URL, go into your discussion or where you're going to post it, shade over the title or the word link, and then find that little link at the top and then insert the URL. I hope that helps a little bit, and I'm going to end it there.